Hey everyone, so this is going to be a quick follow-up on the Mother's ceramic spray and rinse that I've been talking about for a couple of months now. As far as I know, I'm the first person to do any kind of a video review on this. I first got the product like back in January. It was announced last year at SEMA, and it took a while for it to officially come out. But as soon as it was available on Amazon, I bought a bottle. It took a little while to get to me, but then I made a video literally the day that I got it, demonstrating it live. The first time I used it was on camera, right? And so everybody that watched that, saw the results pretty much in real time along with me. Initially, I was not impressed with it. I did a spray on, a rinse off, another spray on, and another rinse off. It did improve, the water behavior on the panel a little bit, but it wasn't nearly as dramatic as I was expecting or I was hoping for. I did some follow-up tests and some other videos where I compared it to 3 other spray and rinse type sealants that I really like. And again, the Mothers just continued to fall short in pretty much all areas, right? Last week, I got an email from somebody at Mother's. It was totally unannounced. I thought it was spam at first, like I almost deleted it. But it was somebody from Mother's. I'm not even sure how they got my email, but they had seen my video and kind of heard my criticism of the product, and they said that it wasn't performing the way that it performed for them in their testing. And so they asked if they could send me a new bottle and if I would return what was left of my original one. I agreed to it. I wrote them back in an email. I never got a response to that email, which I thought was really weird. And then I came home last night and this box was sitting on my front door. So inside this box, there was like a return shipping label, a little pamphlet with Mother's products, some stickers, woohoo, and this is all that's in there, right? So it's a new replacement bottle of this Mother's ceramic spray and rinse. So before I send the old one back, we are going to test this side by side with my original bottle. So that's what we're going to do right now. So here we go. I put some blue tape on the old one just so I wouldn't get them confused. This is the new one that I just received. You saw me pull it out of the box. I'm moving the box out of the way so don't get it wet. First thing we're going to do, we're going to shake them both up. Right, we're going to shake them both up. We're going to make sure these products get a fair shake. See what I did there? All right, good little shake. Good little shake. And so we're going to see if something is actually wrong with this old one, right? If something is wrong with this should perform better, or maybe not, maybe worse. Who knows? We're going to find out. Again, this is all in real time. I have not tried this out yet. All right, I'm back. So I decided to deviate a little bit from my original plan. I know that I'm a relatively new channel, and it's important to build trust. And my original plan was to show you guys the application process, right? The new one on the right, the old one on the left, so you guys could kind of see things in real time. But I also understand that it's important to make content that's entertaining. And honestly, I was kind of bored just sitting there doing it and talking it out, right? And so I figured if I was bored doing it, you guys would be bored watching it. So I decided to just cut out that whole middle section and just skip straight to the results. So I'll tell you a little bit about what I did, right? Both these panels were clean and fresh. I did 2 applications of each, right? So what I've learned is that sometimes these types of products, they're a little underwhelming on the first application, but then they start to get better on the second and third applications, things like that, right? 2 applications on each. That's spray, rinse, right? Did that on both of them. And then I let these panels just sit overnight, let them kind of cure a little bit. I've also seen instances where that improves the performance. So these have been sitting, they've been allowed to cure, and now we're just going to hit them with some water and see what they look like. That's the new side. That's the old side. Really obvious difference, just like that. So yeah, you can really see the difference in the two. So something probably was wrong with that first bottle that I got. So I appreciate mothers, you know, reaching out and saying something and sending me a new bottle, because it does seem to be working better. So now we'll try the mist setting and we'll see how that looks. Oh yeah, real obvious difference. Old side, new side. So yeah, that new bottle, you know, whatever's different about it, it's working much better. If I was to test these again against, you know, the other comparable products, the Meguiar's hybrid ceramic, the Sonax spray and seal, and the Nanoskin supercharger, you know, this would be right in the mix. I mean, these are good tight water beads. You know, look at that. Really good performance from that. Yeah, really solid performance. So anyway, thanks again to Mothers for sending that out. You know, I still don't know how they heard about it. I guess maybe just a YouTube search or something like that. They found me. But you know, this product does seem to be performing better, and so I'm pretty happy with the results. It's much more in line with what I originally expected from this product. Take care, everybody.